Hi, all, Brad here with another post-repair video. This is a complete Defender board set with the linear power supply sent in by Lance. I'm going to go over here with you real quick. So this is the MPU. This board was pretty dirty. I stripped it completely down, gave it a bath in simple green, dried it real good. Over here, the original AA battery holder had a lot of corrosion on it, so we got rid of that. We have a nice new CR2450 on here. No wiring on the front. I do the little jumper for the ground back here. Coming down the board, we've got a new 22 microfarad cap for the soft start. We've got a new Zener diode here. This allows, the original is 3.6 volt. This is 4.7. And what that does is if the voltage drops too low, the 5 volt supply, when it reaches 4.7, it will pull the CPU into reset and prevent corruption of the CMOS RAM. People experience that a lot with switching power supplies. We also have 3 new filter caps here for the -5, +5, and +12 volt regulated. This connector also has the unregulated 12 volts that's also used for the reset if the voltage drops low. Got new Molex headers with the square pins. All 3 on the board are new. I did remove the labels and reapply them nice and straight after the bath. Back here on the ROM board, this board did have a bad PIA on it, which was preventing the board from booting, so that was probably the main reason this was sent in. We did put new cap, all new Molex headers, and I make up the 3M ribbon cable here. The 40 pin is new. We pull out the ROMs and clean the legs and straighten everything out. Over here we've got the I/O widget board. Two new 10-pin Molex headers, new electrolytic cap, and ribbon cable. Keep going back here, we've got the soundboard. What we do on these, we replace all the electrolytic capacitors, new bridge rectifier. I take the fuses out and clean them, tighten up the little crimp contacts where they snap in. Got all new Molex headers. There's 3 of the aluminum electrolytics I replaced with tantalum. One here, one over here, and one for decoupling on the CPU. Did remove the socketed chips and clean the legs on those as well. Clean the whole board up. And then I did mention Lance sent in the linear power supply. So this gets stripped down completely, washed, cleaned, put new voltage regulators and sockets in. I do put a 10-turn precision potentiometer here for the 5 volt. All new Molex headers, all new capacitors, 12 volt bridge rectifier, -5 volt bridge rectifier is new, all the caps again. And then I do put the large BR1 here. I put this aluminum heat sink on it that kind of matches these other ones. I thread these myself and customize them to work here. And new connector back here, as well as over here for the lighting and all that, the ground for the control panel. And then I do remove the power transistors here, the 3055, and clean them up. And then I put a new sill pad underneath, which electrically isolates them, but conducts the heat real well. And then here's the 2N6057 rather, for the 5 volts. This is a larger heatsink because this generates more current than the 12 volts does. So anyway, we'll boot her up and give her a little run. The remote control on the bench here. Adjust this a little bit. So you can see it boots right into the game. So that indicates the CMOS is working, the battery's working, everything's good there. So we can go ahead and coin it up. Let's start. So you can see she's playing fine, and I'm going to let this run on the bench overnight just to ensure everything's solid, and then I'll get it boxed up and coming back to you hopefully tomorrow afternoon. Thanks for watching.